Hello everyone. I'm back with a new topic. My topic for today is anger and patience. As I ponder on these two words, I'm going to speak out loud the thoughts that come to my mind. Benjamin Franklin once said, and I quote, "Anger is never without a reason, but seldom a good one." Unquote. One who gets angry also tries to justify getting angry. People usually explode when angry. How many times have we huffed out of the house or slammed the door shut behind us or turned out the lights at night with anger smoldering in our hearts? We are so angry that we see no reason to forgive or apologize. What is it that keeps us from taking care of anger immediately? What is it that we do when another person does not respond in the way that we think is right? After going off the shelf in a rage, are we quick to retaliate, or have we cultivated the habit of a peaceful spirit? There is a famous story about a little boy who couldn't control his temper. His father gave him a bag of nails and told him, "Son," he said, "every time you lose your temper, you must hammer a nail into the fence in the backyard." The first day, the boy hammered 37 nails into the fence. Every day he hammered nails into the fence. Over the next few days, the boy hammered fewer nails every day. The number of nails hammered daily gradually lessened. He discovered it was easier for him to hold his temper than to drive nails into the fence. Finally, the day came when he didn't have to nail a single nail into the fence. He told his father about it. The father suggested that the boy now pull out a nail from the fence each day that he was able to hold his temper. As the days passed, the young boy finally was able to tell his father that all the nails were gone. The father took his son by his hand, led him to the fence, and said, "You have done well, son, but look at the holes in the fence. The fence will never be the same. When you say things in anger, they leave a scar just like this one. The scars always leave a mark. They can never be mended." So friends, that's true. The scars remain. Anger has a negative effect on the person who is getting angry and also the person who is getting screamed at. It affects mentally, physically. Let us all understand that the healthy way to deal with anger is to practice patience. Patience is the key to overcome anger. It may not be easy, but stop and breathe. Breathe deeply. Patience is the key. Yoga, meditation, listening to calming music helps. Magic will not happen in a day, but you can control your temper. A person who decides once that he wants to work on his temper and he thinks logically, practices patience, you will surprise yourself. you will see the magic. When anger lingers in our hearts, the poison is all we see. But faith seeks ways to show God's love and keeps our spirit strong. In the words of Robert Lee, every time you get upset at something, ask yourself, if you were to die tomorrow, would it be worth it all? Would it be worth your time being angry? I leave you with this thought, friends, and let us all think twice, practice patience, and come out winners. Thank you.